Alrighty, now we've got our cute little dolls here whose dresses are almost done. I just need to sew up the back here on this one. Make sure that's going to be big enough for her to come out. Yeah, I think that'll work. If I just go up to there and then leave the bodice for a button. So I'm just going to be sewing that up and then also doing the same thing to this little sweetie as well. That's what she needs done. I just really like how this turned out with a ruffle. I just found out how to do the ruffle on YouTube and it just turned out super cute. Look at that, so fun. Anyway, both of those are going to be included in the BJD Extravaganza, and I also just wanted to show you how our piece is coming out. Turned out really good. Next I'm putting the chest on top. This one actually takes a really long time just because it's so big and wonky, and to get it to be the right size and shape and stuff can take a minute. But anyway, that's what we've got going next. Next we will do the chest and the head, so it's going to get exciting. Now remember, if you want to join the ball jointed doll extravaganza class, you're going to have all of this knitting information as well, so you can clothe your doll. I'm also going to have it be available in the ball jointed dolls clothing course. I'm getting wishful thinking ahead of time, but pretty soon we'll have the top part in this doll. That's going to look cute on her too, especially have a lot of her belly showing as well. So we'll be expanding that a little bit, and I'll put a link down for that one below.